Let f be a polynomial function and the derivative of f is defined as f prime of x equals this guy right here. How many relative extreme points does the graph of f have? Ooh, tricky, tricky, tricky. Well, this is what I know. I know that if I wanted to find the critical points, you set the derivative equal to 0. Oh, happy day. The derivative is equal. Well, it's already the derivative, so I don't have to do much. That negative does nothing for me. X plus 1, x minus 1, multiplicity of 2, which means something fun's going to happen, and x minus 3. Whenever you have even multiplicity, something fun usually happens. My magic numbers here, according to the zero product property, are going to give me critical points at x equals negative 1, x equals positive 1, and x equals 3, exactly in that order. Now, 3 critical points does not mean I'm going to have 3 relative extrema. Okay, I have to graph. And again, that multiplicity of 2 is screaming my name. So I'm going to make a sign chart where I'm going to label negative 1, regular 1, and 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug points in these intervals into that guy right there and see if I get positive, negative, or nothing, which that wouldn't happen. It'll either be positive or negative. If I go from increasing to decreasing, it's a max. If I go from decreasing to increasing, it's a min. And I go from positive, positive, or negative, negative, it's a neither. And again, that double multiplicity is screaming my name. I'm going to plug in negative 10. I'm going to plug in 0. I'm going to plug in 2. And I'm going to plug in 10. All right, so let's plug it into the original derivative right there. So f prime of negative 10 is going to be negative. So let's be smart here. Negative 10 plus 1 is going to stay negative. Negative 10 minus 1 is going to stay negative squared. And then negative 10 minus 3 is going to stay negative. Negative times a negative times a positive times a negative is going to stay negative. Okay, so you are negative. Let's plug in 0. F prime of 0 is going to be negative. Positive because 0 plus 1 is positive. 0 minus 1 is negative, but you're squaring it. 0 minus 3 is negative. So you become positive. So negative, positive, positive, negative is going to be positive. Let's try 2. Negative. 2 plus 1 is positive. 2 minus 1 is positive. Squaring it. 2 minus 3 is negative. So negative, positive, positive, negative is still positive. Ooh. Let's plug in 10. Negative. 10 plus 1. 10 minus 1. Square it. 10 minus 3. Negative, positive, 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 negative. So here, I go from negative to positive, keep going positive to negative. So I have a min right there, I have a max right there, and I have a neither right there. Ooh, so how many relative extreme points does this graph have? Not 3, boys and girls, but 2. Tricky, tricky, tricky. I like it.